CNX is an oil and gas company. We're an energy company. We're 100% focused in Appalachia. CNX owns close to 140,000 surface acres. And there's a lot of good things we can do on those properties. Stream and wetland mitigation banks, big land conservation, and then obviously a forest carbon project like this. And there's a very large long-term timber lease on this property. It's existed for years and it had a very long lifespan left on it. So one of the first steps to make this project happen was to buy out that lease.
The activity in this case is reduced harvest so that additional carbon is stored in the biomass of the trees. We initially establish a forest carbon inventory using a geospatial approach, and as the project continues, we monitor changes in forest carbon biomass using a plot network. This project generates VCUs, or verified carbon units, that will be issued through the Vera Carbon Registry. A project like this allows them to continue their business model of generating natural gas, but what goes above and beyond is how they manage the land besides the natural gas production.
We've worked with a lot of different organizations across our footprint. We have a good relationship with the Elk Foundation and Virginia Department of Wildlife on elk reintroduction, which has been really successful.
In 2012, 13 and 14, they had a total release of 75 elk. Estimated population now is over 250. It's just very gratifying to see the environmental side of it, to the tourism side of it, and just engaging the public in what we do for a living.
We've got elk over 10 or 15,000 acres of this part of the county. We have ATV trails, we have hiking trails. There's 3,800 acres public accessible lands that are right here immediately in our vicinity. And again, it's all on previously mined lands that were mountaintop removed in the early 2000s and reclaimed. And it's definitely a unique site.
There isn't a one-stop fixes everything solution. This is part of the equation, and the time to set up nature-based solution projects is now, and we know it works. It's proven, it's science.
This project is a great example of a natural gas company continuing to support the local community and Appalachia as a whole to create a more sustainable future.